I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah.
Hello and welcome back to Vondessa J. This is my part 2 to my spring summer curve appeal, and it will possibly be a part 3. So the part 3 would be the complete overall. I still have to put mosh down, and this year I decided that I will go back with black, so I will be doing all of that in part 3. Also, when I spoke of the cushions for the chair in part 1, I will be doing that also in part 3. So part 3 will be the complete overall look of my 2023 spring summer curb appeal.
Where you been and where you hiding?
So what I'm doing here, I am adding carrots, leaves, and lights inside my flower bed. And right off, you can't really see the carrots, but once I add in the black mosh, it will definitely give it a pop. So when I finish and I look back and I was like, no, I must have my black mosh. So that would be definitely in part 3. So here it's just, I'm adding in my carrots because, you know, my theme is carrots. So when I step back, I absolutely loved it.
I know you're lying. Don't you try it, no. You really shouldn't.
So I want to add a little bit of decorations to my wall.
Cause I could do better. I could do better. I could do better.
Now I want to add some decor, which would be my carrots on this end, lights, and also some of the greenery. But you see the lions, guys, I did post those on Facebook Marketplace. I am like beyond tired of the lions now. I've had them for probably about 15 years or so. So it is time for them to go bye-bye.
And you should know better. You should know better.
So now at my entryway, I want to add a bunny that says, welcome.
You should know better than that.
So I want to add my black and white rug back. It's sort of a buffalo check, but it's not really buffalo check. So I wanted to go ahead and add this back in because I do have some black inside my decor. Also, I want to add in my welcome sign that has a little bit of carrots on it also. So this is what my door looks like right now.
You're telling me I should go places. You're telling me that I'm too lazy. You are the one that is going crazy.
So of course I wanted to add in some Easter eggs, only because I have the bunnies, but no, my kids are grown, so we're not doing the Easter bunnies. So I did add in this bunny, and she's ready.
Yeah, cause you can't even hold your own, but you always know what's wrong.
So I decided to add this pillow only because on the sign on the top, it has a little truck. And now I am adding in my rug, and I want to put that offset, so I love it.
With everyone else, how is that? You gonna have to call your friends, tell them that.
So I'll put the lantern on this side, and now I'm adding in my little twins. There are some bunnies. I absolutely love my little bunnies. So one is having a little peekaboo, so I decided just to move them and put them side by side. But on the total reveal, I don't think they will be there, so you have to subscribe to know exactly where I put them.
You're gonna be late, cause I'ma need you to explain. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you.
So I have a flower bed up against the road. So I was like, this is the perfect place to put a bunny eats here. So of course I have to revive this. So that's what I said. It would be a part 3 because we will be adding some mulch to this area. But also in this area, we have a huge fire ant nest. So I have to take care of that also. Did not want to mess around in that area because I don't want to get bitten.
But I don't want to be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying to be like you. But I don't want to be like you. 'Cause I could do better. I could do better. I could do better than that. And you should know better. You should know better. You should know better than that. I don't need your help. I don't need your help.
So I have these bunnies already in this area. So I just gave them a little refresh of some of the bare white paint. So now I am placing them. They're still somewhat damp, but they're in the direct sun. So I knew they would definitely get dry really fast. So the sign in the middle, it says bunnies eat here. So I know when I do add the mulch, it will give it a pop, and that's what I do want. So this is the first thing that when you turn on our street you will see, because we are the first house. So with me adding in the mulch, I do believe it's gonna really pop and be very, very cute.
Help yourself, yeah. I don't need your help. I don't need your help. You should help yourself.
So as I was walking back up my walkway, I was like, wait a minute, this little tree of mine, it needs something. So I ran back in the house, I grabbed my ribbon, and of course, you know, I have the polka dot ribbon, and also I have the carrot ribbon. Both are from Dollar Tree for $3 a roll. So I was like, okay, I am going to tie a bow on this so it'll give a little pop. And I told you guys, I do the traditional bows just like you tie your shoelaces. So I did just a traditional bow, and I clipped the ends and curl them a little bit. And I'm telling you, when you walk back away to the sidewalk, it really did give a pop. So I dressed up the little tree. So I think it came out really good, but just wait until you see the total reveal. I am telling you, it is cute. I think my front yard really is so different this year because I've never ever had carrots. And with it being the spring, well, spring will come in Sunday. And I don't know if you'll see this video by then, but spring starts on Sunday. So, and the time goes back. So if I'm correct, if I'm not correct, you know, leave it in the comments because I know you will. But anyway, guys, go ahead, subscribe, because there is a part 3 and I don't want you to miss it, because it would be the complete reveal of my curve appeal for 2023. So I will see you in part 3.
There's been a whole lot of crying, a whole lot of trying, a whole lot of telling me I should be dying to be like you. I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, a whole lot of shame.